baby cow called a calf.
You like me? I like you too. Boys and girls, she's licking my hand. Yes, yes, I do. Let me see that tongue. Ooh, that tickles, boys and girls. That tickles. Ooh, that tickles. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Boys and girls, here is the baby cow's mother. We are going to draw a cow similar to this. First, boys and girls, I want you to draw a large rectangle for the cow's body. At the bottom, we're going to draw a circle here and then a smaller circle below it. And these circles we're going to be using for the cow's head. So here, put your pencil on that corner and draw a line connecting with the circle. Put your pencil on the bottom corner, making a line like this for the neck. Now put your pencil on the circle at the top and connect it with the bottom circle and do the same on the other side. Now get your eraser, boys and girls, and erase all the inside lines. So all we have is the outline. Next, we are going to draw the legs. A cow has 4 legs. Boys and girls, try to draw the legs all the same length and size. So we are first drawing the front 2 legs. Now let's go and draw the 3rd leg. And the 4th leg. Now get your eraser and erase the lines inside the legs. At the bottom of each leg, we are going to draw a square. Remember, a square has 4 equal sides, and then color those squares in. And these squares here represent the hooves. The cow has hoofs. Now let's go back to our rectangle and take off those sharp corners. We need to round this cow's body out. Then get your eraser and erase those corners. Let's go to the top and draw a tail for our cow. On her head, we are going to draw 2 oval-shaped ears and a big eye here. And the mouth. Then go and draw some patches on our cow. Remember, the cows have black patches? C-O-W spells cow. To finish our cow, we are going to draw a curved line underneath the bottom of the cow and some nipples, which will represent the udder. The udder is where the mother produces milk for her baby. And a baby is called a calf, remember?
Loves to lick. too. She loves a lick too. She's a licker also.